Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to do this simple and quick 10-minute makeup look for you guys. So if you're interested in getting a quick 10-minute makeup look with a secret ingredient to give you a supple glowy look, then please keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm so excited to film this video for you today. I'm going to be doing an all natural makeup look. If you want to know how to do your makeup in less than 10 minutes, then please keep watching. Hey guys, so I'm gonna start with a pre-makeup routine. I'm gonna start with my rose water. It's a product of Thailand. I'm just gonna put a little bit on here, and I'm gonna take my cotton pad. I saw a bunch of recycled cotton pads at the store in Bali. And I just fell in love with them, so I'm definitely going to invest in that because I think it's way better for the environment. And I like to rub my neck down here. It removes a lot of stuff, so I love it. You can even use this as your nighttime routine. I also use Tama Spice, also from Bali. It's witch hazel. And this is an all-natural toner. All right, so now that's done, I like to use this product that I got from Bali as well, but of course you can find it. You can find other brands for it. This is a seaweed serum, and it also has aloe vera in it, so it's really great for elasticity and smoothing out the red pigmentation on your face. I use this usually in my daytime. So I just rub that all over my face. And I love that it absorbs really quickly. And then I like to use argan oil. It's a natural argan oil. I also got this from Bali, but of course you can also get it from iHerb. I love it so much, and this product is like a little bit, goes a long way. I just put a few drops and then I rub it all over my face. I always feel so luxurious and so good when I use this. So now my face is prepped. I forgot to mention this is for people with dry or oily skin. Like, I have mixed. In my personal opinion, if you have oily skin, I would use natural oils because I think that's what it needs. But I've heard people with oily skin tell me that that's not the case, so you have to definitely see a dermatologist or experiment to know what the skincare is the best for you. So here's some coconut oil that I put. I don't use coconut oil on my face, I just use it for my foundation. So the foundation that I'm using is from Shiseido, and it's Sports Cover. It looks like this. Yeah, and the color is 8115 LB. It's like a medium lightish shade. So I just mix it in the coconut oil, so it looks like this. And then I just dab it all over my face. So this is my definitely my filming makeup. So I tend to put a lot more makeup when I'm filming, but like I said, this is also like an everyday, simple, light makeup look. So go down. I'm using this brush from Urban Decay, which I love so much. I've had this brush for years. I just take really good care of my products. So as you can see, you're blending it all over. And then, yeah. Don't forget your neck. You can even just use your hands and just pull down a little bit. And then I just like to blend this in properly. Try to avoid them brows. Okay, so now you see that it has this like natural glow and shine Clinique translucent powder, and I like to just put this all over my face using the big brush, and I got this one from Zuba. I've also had this for ages. Like, most of my products I've had for a long time. If they're brushes, I have a really good brush cleaner, so I definitely don't spend my money on makeup brushes. And then of course foundation. I always try to buy the smallest one because I always like to change up the colors or mix them, and I like to make sure that I am living like a zero waste life as much as possible, so that's why I use brushes. All right, so I got the translucent powder all over my face. As you can see, there's no more shine. And then I'm gonna go into my bronzer. Not a big fan of MAC, but I did buy the MAC palette. And I did buy it because it has, oh, you see what I mean? It has blush, bronzer, and highlighter all in one. Just take my bronzer, and then I just go on the forehead, just a little bit. So this is a very fast makeup look. And then, you know, create the three. Under the cheekbone is what I've learned. On the chin, a little bit on the neck. You can always touch up later. Then I put a bit of pink. So if you are a beauty blogger and you're watching this, hi. And then also if you're good with filming, let me know how I can film, but also look at you in the camera as well. Tips are so welcome. So as you can see, I have this really nice glow here. And then I like to put a bit of highlighter. See what I always do? To put a bit of highlighter on my nose, just in the middle, and then a little bit on the side. My little angled brush. And then I like to finish off my look with a bronzer. I use this Hoola bronzer, and I just like to put a little bit on my eyes. So I just brush it. Wunderbar. Okay, as you can see, I have really pro eyebrush skills. So you can even use your finger to blend it in. Other side. But this is what I love. I vibe with this. It's my favorite. I don't like to do anything else. And then I have a mascara that was given to me as a gift. When it's finished, I want to buy cruelty-free and vegan. But I have this from Lancome. Like I said, it's already been made and it was a gift, so I want to use it. I don't want to just throw it away. So I use this for my eyes. Look, we're still on 8 minutes, and this is without editing. So we're almost there. Okay, girls or guys, this is a realistic, less than 10-minute makeup look. Whee! Okay, all right, so then I've got a really nice red lipstick and pink nude, both MAC, and then this one is from Cyber Colors. If you, let's say, are buying makeup, you can just buy the perfect shade, but I don't have the perfect shade and I don't want to buy it. I want to use what I have, so I just created it myself. I like to put some red, and then I like to add some coconut oil for some zoom. Rub it in with my finger. I think Kendall Jenner does this. I'm pretty sure I learned that from Kendall Jenner. Then I take this and I put it on my lips. Now I have the perfect shade. So my beauty secret is I like to use castor oil. So I use castor oil for my lips. Look at that. Yes. And then sometimes at night I put it on my eyebrows. All right. And then, all right, we're still at 9 minutes and 43 seconds. I got this. I just like to put this mist. Not waste any of it, and zoom. There you go. 10 minutes, done. Using very few products. Oh, and girls, don't forget the sunscreen. I'm filming at night, so I didn't think about it, but I do use SPF 50 from a local sunscreen in Bali. I recommend that you find a local product in your neighborhood, or if there isn't one available, I just gave you a business idea to start it because it is something that is needed. So here's my makeup look. I'm I'm super happy with it. You can add as much foundation or lighten up as much as you want, but it's just like the oils, the coconut oil with my foundation is a lifesaver. I think that's what gives me my glow. As you can see, there's like no crease at all. So secret ingredient, coconut oil, mix with your foundation, dub, dewy look. Simple bronzer my eyes, simple mascara. You can even put eyeliner if you want to like zoom your eyes, but I didn't today. And then of course the last step, you can add something for your brows. Because of coronavirus, I haven't been able to get them done, but I usually get them done by this Indian lady. She threads them, so I can't wait to be able to do that. And sometimes when I'm not able to use eyeliner for my if I don't have eyeliner, I just use my eyebrow pencil sometimes, you know, if I really need it. So I'm filming today, so I'm gonna just add a bit of flavor. And it doesn't have to be perfect, you know why? You blend it in. You blend it in. All right, there you go, guys. Thanks, guys, for watching. Bye.